Asense megaye nkwana ite abeno botukubwale rotugosabu kwa bera sokonyorwa ke kurendo muganito oikiranira se studio inde tuche gusanga mange unatuwa chika gukomanya tugukwandira hemeroberio ikiama ya Jubilee kagandrete kobeka bose kiabekire bose obachore bonene omwaka wocha 2027 nane nake tumanye nararia ya arase kiama ekyo yomugusie asengencho hoyo kagere guchakoria usoyo choru iroko boko ne kiama ekyo guchikoria oboraibu ense gwetera se kiama ekyo Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i okorwa sorongora gusi abega se studio ntorene gesio komotwaro Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi oyo kabero mujumbe bwense mu bunge West Mugirango na bono ochoro tukoba humunyakero soro munyakero gobwe kyamekyo gia Jubilee. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa asechi studio jeto ntunde ntangani tugosaba kwabera asengencho kipare kigane cyito nabwo ebintu biro sirase para na moka mwanya bantu kurinde gwikirandira nabwo musogorio magusi no mwancho murigeria mwarigane kero to cyake nkwani to tukobara
mbia mono abantu baminto asembura be motegerete kuruchise chiga ritangani kabisa tigansabo kwabera esengencho yo kunyurwa asinini weke studio yeito na anene taiwanja kwane twagende kanisa asakuru kumatioya na umurobiri orengo gwikanisa obu mutambake nekero twakora twanyora ntwabwati sabari yo kwanera abantu baito ba matioya na kuminyoka chipare chiga yanyora na nyorirwe igo mbia mona asaba abantu bamitase batengerete inche igona achirega irindegere kuraba manya magana make itangani igoro ya epati yetu ya Jubilee part of Kenya egento ya kabere tokwanere igoro ya umuskoito Fred Matiang'i oyo uchikorigie kero kyo president asomu akonde o 2027 na omwerio anje kwanire esabari ya nebo chube wa West Mugirango mwakonde
asenge nchongo yore kero kyo nae kware ngoro na ndebo non kori yore koira na korende tuzara so asemero biri kyama ya Jubilee tukwandru Mheshimiwa Matiang'i nayo monyene nabokura tumanya se kyama kigoro munyakero go utarachoro Mheshimiwa kobo muraibu kyama kiga abange bakomanyite kwarenga sensemeria ya serikali andake nabo gutumanya gatiga iga gatikabere nkaigwachete oga chenche birangerio ukangya koko bokense merio kwa meria serikali mpaka bono gachagochoro ko munyakero
ekerongo so abunge 2017 inaringa se epati ya Ford Kenya ekora unu muske oito okabeire wosore bado umonene wose party leader yekiama ya Ford Kenya muske wetangula uyore bono yumo speaker na ekero twaso ete punge twaringande kiombe kia NASA ekero yaigete gatiga Raila Odinga the late bakabwatana na umuske Raila na Uhuru Kenyatta tukanyoranga Ford Kenya twabikira se sabu buya no twarengororo ase serikali eri barenge tosoete buya egaika gocho mwerio Ford Kenya ekamwa gose ekarora ngambu yebwatsi William Ruto lakini ende taraso anje kwa naso ile kubwatsi umuske William Ruto na ase sabari yetu twatarite na William Ruto twagorete gasingia eyemo yabo kurigia ekirugo kyarenge kya Msambweni ase na inche na abikira soyo mugwa batendendi ase kirugo kya Msambweni no entu abwate party twarigo support candidate independent urukuru kwa Faisal akagwekero gekyo and then twachiete ase ebunge yeito ya Bonchari na aroko bwatu munodi Teresa Bitutu tukarwana sana sabari tukabana mbaibere igo ekaro twakwete sabari yetu tukanyombi ya torosi party inje no muske William Ruto na abasan na abaraibande ditukeri tu ekaranse tentu etani tibantu ikomia ngekumi egaro tu ekaranse tukamate bono engakiya isadire tokorosie party no twanyare tokorosie party ya UDA abantu bari UDA bono yabara abangi sana ekaronko barora mbamanyiti UDA kayarwe actually wasomo torenge gusi asege ikaranso kyarenge korosi UDA
asabu ikomi
ninche no muskenya moko nando ndeta yore ngororo inche no muskenya moko nabaske bande mbaetane tikomi ni tutwarengo tukakwanira muskoni agatwire getigoro mugaso igoro agatubori ngaboni kirowe kya Msambweni twabwire lakini aba Kenya mbago gochuko tobwatania nekirogeke ekiagero umuntu obwa no muntu independent ngakitogo kora ebirengerere byenu kiagera option chiarenge ibere tuirane Jubilee tome defenses na Jubilee tuanze party gose tuanze party yetu so 20p bali tuare goro kwa pamoja tukamotebie ntura akore no wanze party. That is how we started a party ya UDA.
Emeroberia miyamoga chaka bone kiameke ya chakire asentete komanya singe sabaringi mheshimiwa twayategerere na yachire gochega ngayo ikire tubona yoka okerusi oro asenge nchoni nyorete ne bana matukama igaga umweskeruto temire gukorangeri mukore gasi otemire gokoemiremo egati yabo nagochoro obo Mombasa se miaka ya maiga igange bere yaitire ogakana ngaye oigete bono karanga ikiameke ninge chagete lakini nimbwente ngebwatokane na kerokyo
asoko bwatokana kwane korororo umuskoria William Ruto egenta akore taikiraniti chira twamotebeti ne chire ekimo nchiri atorierete bweka kiagero mayetegero kurigekero goto ikomanyanga ngosiriore lakini yaro monyana akabaga gototenga inuna basani bane tubori chikureji tokoira twezi torosie serikali odio onye nto koira ose onye inu mo koira inchengire na bonko babeka no enu minister igo inumo ise koira inkimorange igo moruga iga moise kurwa ekerogeke ndote gego chikoko ngeki ubu president igo tigato bo twezi torigi lakini ginkonyora inumo tanyo na bonko bakonya na hande tokarigie serikali igo abande baito buna injenaira era kaira so minimum to wana neto muskori oranga ngete nobo waziri osango obo principal secretary lakini ekara igetaga tata ikurika ekirokyo minister agante byo konyo ororo muskema chogu agante ayo musko ka beire serikali tigatomoe agante byo bo PS onagona kwa lakini tinda geturika abantu bana siasa agante bonti ganche ko egento ikurukwa obo CS Chief Administrative Secretary tokaenda gatwa Chief Administrative Secretary kara toete naenda akauncho kakaria abantu bande akababeka bakaenda kotini bagasieke birogebyo era omonyene ekero basiegete birogebyo bikanyorekana birogembi koretiki biyo agatoitio biti gago nyagototebie ebintu ngao ninchemba bange o na tiganchendo siri chiko likorosie biroge dichiko ligacha likarosiwa Act of Parliament ekabe enacted bunge ekobeko obo CS tachieti abeke obo CS obo konyoria abantu later on narie kron chetego goiko omutienyi ngaika omutienyi gatatu 2024 actually omutienyi okabe 2024 inkerete igo muske Solicitor General Mose anga keresi miate ngabone gentu yatokire tokwa ntumire CV yao kamutumire CV yani lakini ngamotebiga message ndi mbugata ngamotebia ebirogo mbira na tebi gukone umuske narukuru kwa oje spokesman ye serikali mwaura konyunga kiresi myangantebia aya ebirogo bia chi ambassador ko na ubire no be interested ngamotetinta gitu ambassador mosebone karago te kombulchi gasinjira ngamote mose ko tumira ndi siviane on condition mo correct mo basa ko ngo ambassador ngamutumira after 2 weeks nganywa no ambassador ba bontuma ekarongo chikubwati nganywa no musko imose ba bwateranete na Felix Koskei na Kasongo ko ngo ambassador na inche Saulita atageto ambassador ngabate bono njetinta getika cheno kaenda nacho ai ngabadikira ri uko ngabategenda nacho and I still hold the same position no ende rona areko ba appointed no ambassador still tingoje
igo korenganeri uko rikwari getenga nichisabu chege family obo ambassador ngio data kereto ambassador mushima
bono igadi tangani kegori kegeto ngekegori kerekego tumono ekegori ketore bona litoko yeka chi family chetu abana bono nari bari chisukuru bagosoma so ekeroko orokana ngango turani gora kega uikora arengererie family ngaki abana bago chigosoma that is 1 2 engaki ye Sauli konye Kasonga to butirisi komono na ende ko na so ile school kuruna korete bachelor's yane ko tinda akora masters so engaki ko na so ila Strathmore University okora masters asense moyeri chikolo bono enganyora ngatinko genda tingo tira school unjera kiagero ready ko na akanire school fees that is reason number 2 reason number 3 na inje bado ekero gukerikiane kia West Mugirango bado nintagete gukerigia igekero muntu akurusiga nabokora ngo guturubananiri ogende ukurusiria asa abantu bao gokwenda nabo konyorana wengi siasa kwa erire ikina chichirizo namba 3 neyo mwerio nerinkanyora ngikero kyo ambassador na machayo asega astwakoreto muskoria inkinta bere cabinet secretary osembe principal secretary
Tegabano tuskabusyo mirobiri yo yekiro mwere bono kwa rigirie ekiama kerio tokateba kire like minded ni emirobiri yago nabo igase oyo gwatairo gosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i ngayinga kemirobiri ikere togachoru munyakerogo
emirobiri gikirete nga ekero mwakoria abakenya batebete ngabono umuskoito Fred Matiang'i uyore gukora World Bank bagateba ngocha abakenya bakadimandi yaiche abakenya abakenya kenyingima including usibaito they demanded ngabono ensase ase yaikire umuskoyo orororo umu president uturutumbire enseye so bagateba ngabono iga ntutagito umuntu uraje konyoro senseye nande bagateba umuntu buna twarigereirie orabeira asuburayi bwenseye orabeke Kenya gende mutu kabisa n'umuskoito Fred Okengo Matiang'i so chensi n'abakenya kwa chumura bakadimanding a Fred yaru ngumbu asare aicheri ndegere aiche kubanga amangana yense ya Kenya asirinda abantu bari baringo on the forefront koteba nga Fred aiche naende kubanga irindegere ku receive buya iga nona aringo yo mobo naende gratete tugaikaransa genere ngamotebya aya umuskodi abuna kware gototebi ngomuntu utaisaini ko be president kweri twatira koranga umuntu utaisaini ebintu biri byonse bikware gototebi bono twatira koranga ebintu ebine no bumaine biri entire kware gototebi ngomuntu ugagweta konya goteba nga nikifika wakati huo tutatengeneza hii barabara tutatengeneza hii ebintu chira ari kuruchyo borimo Fred at one time na motebetinga eserikali yeye nero tugo sab gono iga Nonde one of the ministers senior cabinet secretaries asense moye serikali ebinte byonsi pyo konya goteba nkajugo cyo kurushi beso kwa ebinte byo obu maene buna kasonga asoete akabaka konya kuruchi promise chitaiwekerana na ndi bo maene nga ibuna motebetie bese cyari kukungaina abakenya nchiyo amo nebinto binde bono tukata kurigere tukanyora ngebinto biri aragototebya nobu maene n'umuntu uranyari ko kwendie serikali buna baje gende tinere ige birengera ribyeito ne byaje bikabwatana so tugaja mutwe tugateba aya bono tigatwikaranse irindegere tumubwatisie nerase birengera ryebyo ba president yabe na ikaro twikaranse tugaikaranse ge kanto koretegeka ebikaranse binge sana tukunya kurigereria nkyombe ki kirabekia irindegere kemu properia chikoba omo president tugaikera tukanyoisa urba bwato usani ubya no muskoyo Uhuru Kenyatta president yetu ya Uhuru Kenyatta akamotenga nabaku mubeke kiama kedie dindagere achabodie obo president korwa aseki amakeria na inchenga kieyo konye twasoire ime na incha se na araso iroma ite na araso ire enche kingo ikase nkokorando mukisana so rende patie karoba haruche bakanywa kemosina isaine omokiori bwa yago kora and they previously have also served in Ford Kenya. Una a secretary of legal affairs in Ford Kenya. Experience yetu. And I've served as a NEC member ya Ford Kenya. Bakadigere experience ye bakanyonga na bongi saine kobo munyakerugeri ndegere tubwatira neto ira chama moto.
Umugusi inatake komanya. Keromo genda tene kare biga Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i ochire oradiye kanga yaye. Ngikiagerete tachora kiama kurusia sengencho una baraibande bakonya goteba nga wikamwe bange chinkwana ncharenga okurunyumanga mugusina bwenda konyoresa iga yaye yo kwiroberia ngikiagerete asengenche bya mambiro rokurusi byatagito muske Matiang'i abe mubwatani obo biro rebinde ekotebekana ngana na begeto boka soko birosia ngikiagerete mugaikira gochore kiama ya Jubilee mochore kiama kyomugusi
omuske ohito Fred Matiang'i kiroga kubono kyobo president taikorigi kirogo kyobo gavana bwa Nyamira usobo gavana bwa Busongo kwerenda akuboria kirogo akuboni kyo president wa Kenya nekera akuboria ubu president wa Kenya to kumuira buna kwatebire buna watebire nga ebyama byarenga ororo byagusi awe netasoe twanse kumuire kiama kia Gusii igotira abeng'achi kuri gobo president wa Gusii yita isaini so ekero twarigireti na ende tukaja consideration zinga mba korete gasiengia no muske Uhuru Kenyatta no muske Uhuru Kenyatta na ari tayari kumubwatse abe president wetere echama ya Jubilee part of Kenya bakamwari bagakobe deputy party leader akasoa Jubilee is not only a political party teye kiombe kia siasa Jubilee ne kiombe kia rosirie serikali Kenya ye na hende yagambire buya paka abakenya paka rero bagotenga Jubilee buya yagambite na Jubilee ye tego chikobe kiombe kia siasa gyoka mutuga iga Jubilee nani gujera korosia serikali igeka twarwote tukarora ekiombe kene kiame ekiombe kene kiya ekiagera nkebwate track record kiabera serikali na hende policies na programs chia korete kero kiaringe serikali they were good programs y'abantu gyakonyeta abantu baitu na hende based on that foundation ne kiama kirabe kiya edindegera umuskoito Fred Matiang'i aranyare kubori ubo president kurwa kiagereke ne kiama kire osene kiombe kire Kenya ngima ogende Northeastern lodwa igokonya Jubilee noere ogende Lamu Maate Jubilee noere ogende asakuru kumalapa Jubilee noere ogende paka asakuru kulungalunga Jubilee noere igone kiama kibwate gento tokoroka keringa miundo musingi itiasa established infrastructure kiranyare ku properi ubuskoito edindegera abo mu president
ekero umwisho Matiang'i gukora ebikare biga na tete bya manevinge kurendega ikirasa chorire kiama gya Jubilee kurwa chore kiama gya Jubilee akaego borai na bakamwendo cia bori borai bwense mwaro beri chinkwana cyo gukwanire bya mebiga binde bune bikurugusi mu bitabe ngaki umwisho Matiang'i mwamuganeti lakini ndende korengana ya ekemo bose bibere ochorire kiama gya Jubilee okoba ya strategy jwate mu bakwandire dina barabo asenge nchamba tukabwango igantorara babwato mungusori bwo kwesokia na ko tebanga ba mwiro ko mwabakwanire ko baene kibaigwe bamanye ikiagera to muske Matiang'i agachore kiama gya Jubilee
bono yomna to kwana Jubilee party igeranda united opposition as we speak today Jubilee party is an active member of united opposition. Secondly, Jubilee party itself as a party it has also sister parties moya abo UPA eyende PDP eyende PNU among others ntobwatange chipati saba chire sister parties chia Jubilee where Jubilee is the principal party chipati echi we are continuously engaging them on a way a framework within which toko chokore gas ne chipati echi igota chipati totigerete isiko we are still engaging. The engagement is on process developing a framework eribuna toko chikokora egasi amona barobo
ngoja tore to kwandra senge nchama tukabwango igangabira itire guchimagaga mwatu arete gikaroro gongorwa Gusii gusangana babwatani be kiama gya Jubilee kurende mushimiwa unawe munyakero gwe kiama gya Jubilee kurengane katiba kiama gya Jubilee ngakiye goteba ase okonominate umuntu okorigyo borai bwense gwetera ase kiama ekyo na gwikira boniga ase diba ko mushimiwa Matiang'i ari buno mokonye bo murai bwe kiama nare eligible kuboria oborai bwense bosemero biro negenda to kubekwa yoko ene kiama nkotwara oborai bwe kiama irinda chikoba endorsed ko rio oborai bwense
kiama gya Jubilee bono iga constitution into revised 2025 na under the revised constitution a party official endeavors up to the rank of deputy party leader na bakuboria obo president wa Kenya. The only thing that he needs no cover is just approval by NDC. So once to go to beko moskoito omwakonde already nere to identify and then to bwa candidate yende as a Jubilee wono eri again to get garete no komuire NDC ekora approval as a candidate to your president. So constitution ya Jubilee in his position as a deputy party leader allows him to run for presidency.
Tikato kwandrege abange babere ba komoche kiama gya Jubilee gira oroki the campaign machinery iriere presidential mwamochiwe aso wotaikire nemero birino especially tikato kwandoro gongorwa Gusii murakora meyega erie korokinga ikiame kengete to borai bwense karogo to manya ya mwene getia matukabere abwango igase orogongorwa Gusii. Is it true nge kiama gya Jubilee nkirabeka the presidential campaign machinery yogotara Kenya ngima anene monorongo rwa gusiko te yabana inchi baesoke basiro muske Matiang'i na babwate chikura sobo
you know egasto kora ne ya siasa ne roturi na ga siasa toko kikiro muntu onye gutegete go kikiro muntu genda wanse biasara byo kon chase cream kiagera na chabantu ba kugura baria bago kisa uriyo wansu wabo siasa nebwate ebitina nenda mwamu nebinte binge mostly abantu bagoteba nga nturaikirani especially usi a level ya presidential. These are our distractors and we know them abantu kurudiem and other leaders, but you see at the end of the day almost koito Fred Matiang'i is a presidential candidate okorigi chikura Kenya ngima koruchize jina gotebi no koru northeastern paka coast from western to eastern akorigi chikura igo bantu gosabara yaba ukwana they don't expect him agende gusiyame nyororo na enda ise kwenda gusiyame nyororo ibagwanza ko butebanga obire regional kingpin achikobodia bugabana ekero tuansete campaign asia abantu abare gotebanga nga Fred gusiya ukakunya gutara igagweneta iche ko be regional kingpin. Over time we have gone national. Buna tu international na ende bahansira mangana usi. Let me tell you this. As we see to have create systems in place which are running. Systems in place are running. How are they running? The Tukoriamo is on Friday. We were able to host aspirants, over 1,000 aspirants from Musi region itself. Over 1,000 aspirants. We registered them, and I even spoke on Arengororo. Over 1,000 aspirants. If you can get my clip, you can play that. Over 1,000. To Arengororo, Kugamba Nabarubo, how we are going to popularize the party further in Nyamira, to assure them for a free and fair nomination process, and to request them also to popularize the party ahead of 2027 election polls. That is one. Two, previously, we undertook a tour of Gusii region, entire Gusii region, to achiete Gusii, I think you met in Yekabere Karekoeta, na united opposition, to achiete every constituency, to Kakwana Nabantu Baito, to Kabatebia, why united opposition is a better alternative government, where Jubilee part of Kenya is one of them. No Moscoito, Fred Okengo Matiang'i was the host. Abantu mwaroche buna basogete. Abantu bakatige biasara byabo, they came to support the united opposition and more particularly Jubilee part of Kenya. After two akoreterio, we are still engaging. And let me tell you today, naenda abantu baminto baiwase bategerete. Nte kobanga kile weekend itutagete our presidential candidate Muske Fred Matiang'i aiche gusianya ukwana n'abantu. Ekera akira akwanira abantu. Intubuna foot soldiers baye. Ni tutokoirana iground twakwana mangana afraid. Nchomo nyene wiki bere nchi gweta ntaragenda ukwanira abantu ba West Mugirango and by extension ya ata areas. Omuske kibagendi wiki emote igweta gusebere ataragenda kwanira abantu. Omuske Onyonka is there every at a time. Omuske Senator Kongo Mogeni is on the ground. Omuske Barongo Nohari and so many others, including MCS, including our MC aspirants, our gubernatorial aspirants, Omuske Machogu Nohari Kakirengaki meeting delegations. Omuske Chane Tongera is at home all the time meeting delegations. Neye a target was a Kerengagi to Nekemo. Ekirenga gieto no ntoko likichikura intwe lakini ekirenga gieto litangani no go wakira umwana wito Fred Okengo Matiang'i ekunweri ndegera akoreki agenda mutu abantu mbara abandi bakunye wekoranga nabua abanogeri bo Mugusii abanogeri bari ponoko Omugusii bono iga omonogeri oye no muntu oyo buguru ku Fred Okengo Matiang'i ode bwenso kunya wetanga nicho mogeri no omonogeri bo Mugusii abuna buba kunya koreta propaganda iyo abanogeri bari ponoko ngao gusiatera campaign kubuya gusiatera akoru kende rendo nyokoro omonogeri onye koro chinga chupiri teisaini inkyo konya gotebera chupiri omuske gabana arati muisonde gatebetenga nga chupiri part of Kenya nga Jubilee ne kiama gyakwete indi kiama gya Jubilee gyakwa egento gekwete ngi attract over 1000 aspirants ba uta kuri ebirogo tofauti na indirinde onye gento gekwete intunaba gusi gento gekwete nke wene tigento gekonya ukwano onye gekwete rende nki akonya ukwanira abarayibu nabo nabo baroro konya konguso umugusi gotinyuma and for the first time in the last 25 years umugusi bwa amuire egentekemo nga etwetetwa komo 2027 no bari bo muske nyuma yo muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ende ni manyete abagusi esa uri bara abantu abangaini onde bwensi otayase ko support Fred onde bwensi orororo okongusa Fred gotinyuma onde bwensi okongusa Fred gotinyuma abagusi will deal with him or her the ballot
Teto kwandike kwatere nga abantu boko buna inu negatia baraibande keromora sorongorwa gusi nere buyo muske Fred Matiang'i anchirwe nere atare chise muchinda na baraibande na rokoboliga abaraibande babere bagotara but umuske Fred Matiang'i tararoka na semeyega asobonge akoroka narimo yende mengeta iyo unarira baraiba mwambare nga sensemo ya Mombasa umuske Fred Matiang'i oroka ndre abange bagote abanga aroberetie ekiama gya Jubilee to go it alone is it true na ndonye teri true miroberi ekero mutometa international ingiatari gwikira ne miroberi yonsi abaraibande yensemo yo kwamere serikali
Jubilee party igere as a united opposition and the family so a member and active member ya united opposition na ende abaraya babaito batebire there is no amount of intimidation persuasion osebiti na binde byonspi biraba meke babutokane ekiagera eserikali bono ige wenete ko endrete ko beka chimbinu koranga babutokanire rero igona nyorugo ika esenge njonga itwarenge amangana ye kanisa amona koja ngokore kampeni yaito asakuru kumuranga etimu ende njarenge Mombasa etimu ende yaito njarenge Kisumu ase chitimu echicheto chonsi into abanyene nto yuwananete nga ekerere conveniently so twensi tokobeka namo twagenda gukora campaign amo ekere konyorekana nga epatiende ya bekire programs cyaye cyabitereretie kore onde bwensi any principle nanche ire gochikokora na kiye kogera umuskoito Fred Matiang'i akwana na principles baria akabatebia esabari emoko genda already nabo atechi program asepatia Jubilee monga chireri ndengende na inu mogende cost bakaiwanana bari bagateba tigatogende twakiko kukurwaria na hajegenda gusi genda consolidate genda rora aspirants ba gusi na endo kore bintu binde bibere bitatu asigo pio price movement yetu yo opposition gusi na into tigatokore iga cost bakaiwanana ekero twakorete gusi rero esaudi twabangete na ende kwenda turi matioya na ende they agreed bakamotebigenda matioya edindegere nayo koreki oakeko kugose okore campaign yororo so ekero mokorora Fred atayo igote meeting orule united opposition and let me ask you my brother nkarenga okorora no including now umuske oyonde bunagocha kuruma ata umuske oyonde rigati bunagocha kurwa na achagende chinkongo chinde akore campaign weka na kinta getukubori abantu baminto na rodi rigati ga akora campaign many times erebweka many times okonyora korba akore united opposition kwa monyororia ochire no enebo okore campaign yaye ochire meru okore campaign yaye and elsewhere okore campaign yaye umuske karonso the same brono inki abantu baito baranye gotebera ngao ekero bakora Fred erebweka bateba nganga nekiomba akuru egwikieria no barenge ekiombamo kachiado igone wiki ya moyoka na into twaigwana ni rase kiombeke gito nga umuskoyo kasongo no muntu oromokora lazima tumubwatira nirindagara ko murusie kerugeke na kumubwatira ko murusie kerugeke lazima mubwatirane umate karo mubwat murabange na badi rubo bamoko de mamoko rikora bwange kyagera kiro mutake kurwadi no ndo wake kurwadia igoko nya mwakore mwakore igobo nekero tugutara igo badi ekero bakore gasi Mombasa na hintu na twalenge Central ne timu ende yasifunere kurumate igabogere bono okonyora ngengere gukwanutiria ata areas one time yoke ukwanu Kisumu one time rero nja kwanu Matioya one time nja kwanu are nja kwanu Mombasa kasongo isaro ni ranger rero ise komborora nere bwe kore gutara akonyo kuburia abantu ngao nga rero ba minto nga abantu bara bagotebanga bagwenete ko ngari baganje ko gutara Kenya gusinche inche iga Central igo strategies nechi nyinge that is one of the strategies you would visit kasongo 2027.
Fair enough, nkore ngibono bari ba konye bakubori kimwe schematic yangatari gwikira na semege nkore ngibono bamanyire kurende na ndo ratake kumanya sengenjo ni kiama ya Jubilee to gukwana ikiama ya Jubilee watebirekere active member asensemo ya United Opposition.
Yes.
Ntubade something ya very revived na ndi kwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance yo musike Kalonzo atebirenga emiro birinero royo yogo gechaki omo konyi bumure w'ikiama mwishimiwa Jeremiah Kioni na atebanga no barazimio bono Jubilee mwabere blamed mother the kogenda alone Jubilee more active United Opposition na Azimio rende
Jubilee
asebya mabinde biro bibya pull out bi Rusiri already.
Jubilee is a member of Azimio. ODM is a member of Azimio. Wiper is also a member of Azimio.
Eto bautinga yibone uji yarwira United Opposition na Azimio la umoja. Jubilee lebyo chinsema chance.
Okay, Jubilee as we speak today is a member of Azimio. It has never pulled out of Azimio. Wiper has never pulled out of Azimio. But you see, a decision has not been made today. The United Opposition will go under the umbrella of Azimio. At the end of the day, Ekeroto Kwana United Opposition today is an umbrella that brings different parties together. Chibuate right-minded, strategy. But when you talk about United Opposition, it's not registered. It's an umbrella that brings us together. At the end of the day, all the parties under United Opposition will decide under which coalition, which Kobodia or President Kuru. So as Mionja abore till last time, over President. Ekerora ira asirete as Mio ekanyoranga a vacant position as a reason. Ye party leader in United in Azimio. So that position needed to be filled for purposes of dealing with that matters chiapunge. Kiagera a party leader we carry directions on how to deal with specific matters and more particularly matters to go deal with the Parliament of Kenya, put in the Senate and the National Assembly. Because of that need, ekanorekananga chipati chuikachi wanane edindegere will fill that position. That is how Umuske Kalonzo achete aka fill that particular position ya party leader. But against or contrary to the views of people, nga Azimio nero igochako gochiro na United Opposition, that is not the position. The United Opposition will sit down at the right time to decide under which coalition bagochuko rigeria ekerokyo President Kenya.
So still in the option nga Azimio na baba kumoko yetika moso United Opposition na United Opposition yego so ime Azimio.
A decision has not been made. The options are open. But you see, when you talk about the United Opposition, is not a coalition as we speak today. It's an umbrella that brings us together. But now if we agree and say we are forming a coalition in the name of United Opposition, we can form and run with it for presidency. But a decision will be made. Yes.
Ama boy nategete makiganga berigenda toso ase ensemo yaga sengenjuna enkorikiore obora yoboiga umurai wiki ya Jubilee oyoro murai yogo makonyi bomurai wiki ya Jubilee oro murai yogo muske Fred Matiang'i na ruchinkwana ama tukabwangoiga abatebanga wikira boniga mbaigwanaine na ndemiro biri nebekire yogochekone kyango chora bari mu Rwanda yogocheko imuke bendera yoba mu bwensemo yo kwameria serikali korende with conditions ever scientific. What if anye mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i bosekia makino ya Jubilee ngeri gochikonyora kuimukia bendera ya nsema yuko ameria serikali. What will be next?
All of us, we are going to the elections last year. All of us. Wow. I'm also going kurigi kerogo kia West Mugirango. Fred Matiang'i kurigi president. All of us, we say, in any engagement, the process must be free, fair, and transparent. That is the position. Almost a process here must be scientific, free, fair, and transparent. So that a candidate here we kerwa abantu baranga nyewe a process ya to make a nereka inekoba a transparent process. In the absence you can make a decision. But you see every other candidate in the united opposition, that is what he agrees with. Scientific, free, fair, and transparent process. Ekero turakore ngakie yo tuakodire bachodire. Whatever happens, you know, we cannot cross the bridge until we get there. So when we get there, we cross that bridge.
Abara imbaro bari ngase ekiama ya Jubilee bari komo skematianya kwa kodenda along the way abange ba drop out, and most of them bagote abanga otara mwikero mheshimiwa Matiang'i chibroka nchiragatia ekiama ya Jubilee nge bwate brokers no nyare go clear the air hasenge nchwali ba ruro bagote banga some of them bate efforts chiabo nchira ba recognized abange bate there is a lot of political brokerage ekiama ya Jubilee ande mona bara ikurugusi. How can they trust ekiama ya Jubilee ngangechi kubeke birengere bya bara ibonsi bari bakuriyo bara igwetera ekiama ya Jubilee bari bakomuske Matiang'i kwa bakugwetera ekiama ya Jubilee ngere fair
ritangani kabisa. Itokora abodia who has dropped out of
abara imbara roba chagete na inu along the way ba
for example, you may not want to mention their names.
Yeah.
There are some leaders to achagete na buo maybe abange babo they were affiliated with UDA. Along the way intimidation came in. Along the way bakabucheri womo says. Along the way bakaranga maybe the better option in Kasongo. So there are so many factors. It's nothing I'm afraid what are konyor. Abande Moseso Kabuja basically, you know what UDA is doing now. Round the clock is spying people. Round the clock is intimidating people. And so many other things which happened. So some went that way. Abande badi maybe batarengo to arenga one or two. Not so many, one or two. They were put along the way bakagurba correct bakagenda. But you see, you don't also forget that we are receiving big numbers. Wocha asensemo ya Jubilee Party. Buna nagotebia mwisonde twabwate over 1,000 candidates. Ese serikali ya Kasongo Rororo. Very senior and critical officers baje. Bade se serikali. They are secretly engaging us bago to tenga mwanzo to join, and we have told them if you have to join Jubilee Party, it's not tomorrow, the time is now. So that we can also count you in. Jubilee Party they go to koganyo monto acha next year umutenyo kabere umutenyo gatata tebenga inchemndega iga nkwenete kwa we ticket na abantu aba baroro bono yo bakoriga Jubilee ngakibako. So the door is open. Badi bake bachete buna twakorete aspirants meeting, they came. Abantu baje ba kwirende ba UDA they came. Badi bande batagete ba oro interest batagete kocha, they are free to come.
Iga ba rueta along the way barabu okatebanga they had personal interest chabo.
They had personal interest. Abande ba gore to they went back. Abande they were intimidated, they went back. Are you seeing? Amwana buna grodio ruoba otare ko ba intimidated. Otare kogorwa, they ended up kumurusha ubo senator as a nominee. And we have told her to stay in put. O irani wine court njamu iraniti. Egatebo mwana otigairane ubo senator bwaje garu setiwe process etabu atiri. Kasongo n'abantu bari baje parliament yabere structure ya Kasongo, they have not allowed kumwara wa irane ndegera be senator. Na ende ko regingo teba umusko ito Fred Matiang'i. Onde wensi umotagete including you. No ba no motagete mapi. Just call the secretariat, you will be given an appointment. if there is a person that you can access anytime, is Fred Matiang'i, and he has given us instructions. Ototebiri on the Wednesday utagete kodora. You could just call me, ngotebi when I'm available by Jibandor. Kiagri kirogon kodia, ne kirogi public.
Tiga mention yoyo, asengencho ero chire gaiga oikaransi lega gubune karansi tego mojumbo go. West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka na ndi nkamubori ribori riga nero murayo chorire ne kiama ya Jubilee no mojumbe bweka kurwase orongo rwa Nyanza. Ubamate bwa ne kiama ya Jubilee. Agatebanga uburayiboro bwabono ebwabe getwororo members batabeti consulted. He went ahead even to mention na teneni subscription ya monthly. Abarayibaro rase kiama kiga ya Jubilee. How united are they? Bari bachorire baroboniga. Over 20 I think as a Bungia National Assembly. Asengenjo mojumbo go West Mugirango yoromo watani bikema ya Jubilee. Otebirenga emirobiri kema ya Jubilee including oborayiboro bwabonoiga, that includes you no munyakirogo ebwabe getwaro members imbabete consulted na procedure tibwatiri yaringe constitutional.
Almost ke Steve no more nto osometa buyasa. Lakini na hande tu ateba abarayi ekero mukurangiria abarayi baito gocha kura kwanira mangana ya national politics. Inje na hari kubasaba abantu aminto moche mugore egentu kerige gopima ngakyo montasi vete divayi ngana. Mwato pima nge divayi onyo gosivete etane tito yokwana gende divayi ra rumo berumanye gocha. Abarayi banda abaito bago sive divayi ya Italia bache studio abaza ukwane bintu bitayo. Tigante beiga ekirogo gose ogochoro waito kochecho party atupili. The due process was followed, and that is why when you appoint to some official ekiama kende yonspi, you study the process you want to conclude, and then from there the necessary documentation you file it with the registrar of political parties. Registrar of political parties ta wanchirana changes chikorwe mutara ikirani due process yakoreki ever forward, and ama sakaraito tuwa the registrar of political parties igateba mwaisanikire requirements in the procedure as been followed, and that is why a week ago he gazetted. You cannot be gazetted a process yatakoretiki etakiranite igo muskori no mwakiri ari at times igakwenda orara bweba ocha kuboko nyore bintu byakorekanire oiranga ibyakorekanite karaire. This process is always there. Nkiata ariko yofora up kururiri onye kaiweto boronga ngaki arwete party to gasororo esaudi they were incompetent to run the party. Competent people have been brought on board. Agunda soyo mobo we will run this party, and the tobaro kingaki the parties how the political parties are run.
Ribori ryo mwerio erinde tonyara koba toko kwandra aria na kiwa berata to kuirana tonyara koba toko kwandra subu ime manifesto yago asengenjo na West Mugirango ngotenenore ikiama ya Jubilee kuru asorongo rwa gusinge bwati mu governor ore abisi ngebwati mo senator ngebwati mo women rep ngebwati mo jumbe strategically ngakimwe bangire koene kiabuna at the end of the day ngoikira ni more mobilize ngoikira ni more gutwara muscles to the ground in as much as mo jumbo yoro royomo or kiri allegiance to the government. Jubilee ngakigo chigo survive tebwati any sitting governor, sitting senator, sitting women rep. No mo jumbo yoro royomo doesn't subscribe anymore as a kiama ya Jubilee.
Kurugusi go sakanye kile.
Kurugusi. Rongorogusi.
Kurugusi we don't need umochumbe bodoiga or elected to survive. Abachumbe ntu abwate Steve Mogaka, Cherusha Mumanyi and others. They decided to desert the party back again. And they were told 2-3 weeks ago na Steve Onyogotagete irane party. Na kutoka kwa rengereri. Tabugati birengereri byoko irana. Umuske Cherusha Mumanyi tabugati birengereri byoko irana a party. And many other MPs that ya work and many other MPs mbatageti ko irana a party. We have already competent leaders Kurusi who are offering us support, including elected leaders, you know them. Today I will support a safari ya Fred Matiang'i. and other competent, people, professionals we have on board. So these are the strong, these are the soldiers of the party. They will be able to grow the party. Whatever I decided that they should go, let them go. Next year, I assure you, Jubilee part of Kenya is going to call all elected positions from Gusii. And that is our target next year, to win all elective positions from Gusii. And then now we'll be having leaders who are aligned to the vision, mission, and aspirations of Jubilee part of Kenya.
Bemano chisa nisa tondo chia aragire tugo savanga hasu wancho nyarko bako kotoremereria kego tumanye aberata to asejidega chinkego tukwira na tukwandri West Murang'a mabona arege ya bananchi bari kwale kora West Mugirango na boigo kuboria nkororonga koromora wiki amagya Jubilee kurwase bunge yago abarai aba bakuriyo bojumbe bona batayete ticket y'amagya Jubilee barange babere batatu iga naro gutaka kumanya nomination ikiganchi chiko bafea kurwasa rongo rwa Gusii especially erinde na etomanye manifesto yago nererio mwancho morigereria tetenko manyaiga ase omurikito Petwel Machini hanyara ko bakago sanga somo iga bwekanise nsemo ya Moticho eburi bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii ase chiburaburu chene kiwa ase abarai babere oyokorie kergo kyo jumbe Dennis Sonko na boiga babwatani bo mujumbe bwenseme Silvana Sosoro bainakia esigikani igenta barai be kanisa negatia barai bande bagikeire na koteba kerodi biraria ge siasa bigan protegotira asorgongo rwa Gusii nere buya umurembe onekiwe
Nasomega bugochangira kwa gachwe kirisia kimusasiro cha kanisa ya Katoliki ya St Clair Eburi imewodi ya Moticho bunge South Mugirango county ya Kisii kuria rero Nomuiga oikiranwa na bari aigatia boyo kuriye kirgo kyo bochumbe bunge yo Dennis Makori Songo